This 2023 Keystone Alpine 3912DS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Ocala, Florida, 34473 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear bath, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.